fellow YouTuber. This is Marcelina at cashewgreens.com. It's beautiful today. It is sunny and I thought I could do another video on hydrangea. So today we're going to be learning on how to grow hydrangea using the FOGPONIC system. So let's get started and see me on the other side. Alright guys, if this is the first time you discover my channel, please consider to subscribe below. It is free to subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything. And also don't forget to open your notification icon so you can get notified on my next future video. So let's get started and take some cutting. Alright, we will need a scissor. Make sure that the scissor is sharp and sterile. We need alcohol. And we need pitzer with water. So the first thing you need is sprayer pruner. Wipe with the tissue. And take some cutting. So we're going to take cuttings from two different hydrangeas. Take your hydrangea cuttings 4 to 6 inches and then remove the lower leaves. And then cut the tip. You can leave 2 leaves or 1 leaf.
Hey, Pa, you see Marde?
Yeah, saw her about 10 minutes ago. She's out there in that greenhouse making one of them YouTube videos and all, you know. We get any subscribers today, boy?
Only 2 today, Pa.
2? Dang nabbit. We need 10 new subscribers every single day, or we're going to quit making these doggone videos. Hey, y'all out there watching these videos, you see that little button down there that says subscribe? Click that little button down there, man. In the meantime, son, you need to go out there and get your mom and tell her get in here and make Pa some breakfast. I need some pancakes.
Use the Clonix gel to root your cuttings. This is the product that would help you speed up your rooting. I would recommend or suggest you guys to use the Clonix gel because it is very active product and you are more likely to have more cuttings to root. Propagating hydrangeas in FOGPONIC system allows our cuttings to root faster. Plus we added Clonix. We dip our cuttings into the Clonix gel. This will even root our cuttings more faster. So what we're going to do here, we're going to place these cuttings into the FOG machine. So we do the same thing. We use the basket and then the insert. And what you have to do here, this is the easiest propagation that will give you success of rooting all your cuttings. And I love this propagation, guys, and that's why I always do a video on FOGPONICs, because FOGPONICs is easy to grow, easy to propagate. You don't have to, what you need, you just place your cuttings in there, and then here, voila, and it's all rooted like crazy. So you just need, you have to order this one. This is an insert. You just order this one. I will link you on this video. All the products that I will mentioning here, I will link you on this video. And if you request for FOGPONICs, maybe I can build you a small one. So just write your comments below and we'll see. So you just do like that. That's how easy. And then you just put it in here. So this is a kind of creation that you can just play around, and it's almost like a hobby, but sometimes it's a good hobby. Just like that. Look at that. It's easy. It's easy it is. So remember, when we have our propagation, we experimented the machine, because it says that we can't use chemicals in the machine, because if we do, the machine would break down. But we found out that the machine was okay after we added the chemicals. So that was a good discovery. And if you are using this kind of project, if you are doing a FOGPONIC system, you can add Clonix solution or Clonix gels. I'm very 100% using Clonix or Clonix gel. I love the product, and since I discovered the product, I discovered how good it is in all my cuttings. Sometimes I had 100% in my cuttings that were rotting, and sometimes I get like 80%, which is cool, because sometimes it's overwhelming if you take your cuttings and then all of a sudden you only, out of 100, you only get like maybe 10 or 15. It's time consuming. But if you use the Clonix gel, I guarantee you can have a really good success. But if you don't have a Clonix gel, then you can just use the powder if there is available, whatever available. Some people use the natural hormones, and I found that one of the strongest hormone that you can use naturally is the willow tree. And I have a friend, if my friend is watching this video right now, she gave me with this willow branches, and it was so cold, and she just put it on the front door, and all these branches, and I said like, what is this? And then she found out that I did not take the branches because it was too long and it looks like it's dead. So she took it back. They said, you know what, I should not just give it to you, So I told her like, well, I will come to your place, and then I want to see the tree, because it's good to see the branch, if it is, in the life form. So look at it, guys, it's easy. All right, so I'm going to follow up with you after this. It takes only 3 weeks to root the cuttings, and some people they propagate this in water without uncirculating water. But here's the thing, if you can probably root like that. I never use that much type of propagation, but if what works for you, I would suggest that you use the FOGPONICs, because the FOGPONICs is only a little bit of particles of water, dispersed into your cuttings, and your cuttings are not really stick into the water, allowing those cuttings to rot. So the FOGPONICs is the best. There you go. So what you need, just label them, and I will show you guys. So we will put this one in here. So this is an exciting project. You just place it in here, all of them. And I've been replacing this one. I take out the one that it is rooted, and I place it, and I'm going to show you. This is the new batch, okay? So hold on. All right, so this is the one that I propagated in this machine, and I'm going to show you guys. I will take this out, and probably will say like, no, don't touch the plant. I'm going to remove this to see the roots. So I'm going to show you on the root of this hydrangea, how the root established. So this is good. Look at that, it's flowering already. So it is easy to grow. And so again, we have to propagate this one first, and then I will show you the result after the propagation. As I mentioned, it takes only 3 weeks. Alright guys, so let's check our cuttings that we propagated. So let's check this one. Look at that guys. See? Look at the root. I'm going to give you a close-up. Okay, as you can see, take this out. Look at that guys. Look at that. Look at the root, is crazy. Look at this thing. Oh my goodness. Look at that guys. The root is exploding and it is healthy too. So we're going to transfer this one in the pot. How about the other one? Oh, this one is, there's root in here. See that? So this is 2 to 3 weeks. So that's how fast it is. So let's check the hydrangea that we've transferred to the pot. Let's see the root. Alright, so we're going to check the root system first, and then we're going to transfer the plant in this 3-gallon pot. I like this kind of pot because it is a self-pruning pot. It's a cloth, and then they can breathe, especially in summer, that it is, if it is too hot in the summer, this is great because it makes the plants cooler. So I'm going to put this soil in here. Okay, so we fill our pot with soil, and then let's transfer our hydrangea. All right, so hydrangea loves acid, so we're going to fertilize them with a fertilizer containing acid, and we're going to boost them. It is springtime now, so they definitely need a lot of nitrogen. So we're going to fertilize them with this tablet. This tablet, guys, has a 20% nitrogen, 10% phosphorus, and 5% potassium. This is amazing. So I'm going to link this tablet below this video if you guys want this kind of tablet. So I am going to give 2 tablets of this plant and see. So I'm going to overdose my hydrangea. So let's check the root. Wow, look at that. Look at that, guys. So that's why I recommend you guys to use this banded pot. So if you want banded pot, I will, you can check our site for banded pot. This is cool because look at the root. It doesn't go into root bound, and it's deep enough for the root to grow, grow and expand. So we're going to soak this one in water. Look at the root. So I will dip it in here and see the root system, how it looks like. Okay, look at that, guys. Look, it's beautiful. Okay, so we're going to put this one in the cloth pot. And then when you use this kind of tablet, you don't put this one under the root system. You put this one below or side, on the side of the plant. So I will put it in here, and I will put the other side too. Just place that down, and I will put this hydrangea here. This will grow bigger and beautiful. I love hydrangea, I love roses. So okay, so this one would look good in my garden. Alright, so we're going to fill this another soil because it's just half of this pot. All right, so we filled our pot with soil, and the last thing we need is water the plant. So I'm going to put this back in the greenhouse because I want to observe this plant. Okay, so our hydrangea is back to the greenhouse and close to my beautiful rose. This is my Olympiad rose. It's beautiful. I can't wait summer. As you can see, my rain tower behind me is empty. I couldn't wait to see this tower loaded with plants. So this is the video for today. I hope the video helps you guys. And if you like it, please consider to subscribe. And also don't forget to click the bell so you can get notified on my next video. Something today that I had trouble, communicating with you guys. So give me more motivation by subscribing. That's the only subscribing to my channel is one of my motivation to keep me going, give me excited, because the more subscriber I see in my channel, the more energy I have. So allows me to load more videos because I really want you guys to learn more into advanced gardening. And I have friends saying like, can you teach me basic gardening? And I said, what do you mean by basic gardening? So I am more into advanced, growing the plants into more advanced method, and whatever I discovered in my garden, I will share that with you guys. So the only thing that keeps me going, again, it's your subscription. It doesn't cost you anything to subscribe, and also share that with your families. Make all your friends learn how to grow, and this is it. And I hope you guys have a good day and stay healthy. See you next week. Bye bye.